Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Guzar Ahmed and welcome back to Grow Online CBSE once again after many days. So actually I am my hostel room. Actually it is provided by the by the company itself. So now I am in Pune and hope you all will be fine. So today I'm going to tell you actually regarding JOSA counseling, how does it happen, and I will tell you the procedures of JOSA counseling. So those guys who got good marks, or I'll say either say good rank, so heartily congratulations for them, and those who didn't get good ranks, so come on, let's move on, and you should move on in your life. So you should either labor hard for the next year, or you can opt anything else if you want to do so first of all I'll tell you what is JOSA. It's actually a board which allocates seats for you, and it is according to your desire. So first you need to fill about yourself, your details, that your name, father's name, and other stuff. Then actually they want to see the rank of JEE Main and JEE Advanced. You know that from JEE Main rank you will get NIT and other colleges like GFITs, triple ITs, and from rank of JEE Advanced you will get IITs. So they will see your rank of JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, and you need to submit your rank, your name, and other information. From there you will get either IIT or NIT according to your choice. You have to give lots of numbers of choice so that you can get whatever you want. So what happens is that first you need to fill the choices. Suppose you got, I am assuming that you got a rank a rank of 4000. You got a rank of 4000 in JEE Advanced, and you got a rank of 7000 JEE Mains. Suppose I'm assuming that. So you will get NIT and other colleges like triple ITs and GFITs from that rank, that is 7000. AIR I'm talking about, All India rank 7000. From that rank you will get NIT and other systems. And from IITs the rank was from JEE Advanced the rank was 3000, so we will get IITs from this 3000 rank. So you need to fill the choices. Suppose you want to get departments like CS, IT and electronics in IIT, then you'll have to see the rank and the IITs. In that rank you will get the IITs or not. And for NIT you will have to check that in that rank you will get which type of NIT and which department. I have made a video on college Pravesh. You can go and search for it, and you will get to know that in which rank you will get what. The question is that what rank you will get which department in which IIT or NIT or any colleges, engineering college. So in our time I put many choices, generally from NIT and also from IIT, but due to my poor rank in JEE Advanced I didn't get any, so I studied from NIT. So I put many choices, and in our time what usually happens was that I could opt for many NITs. I could opt for many branches, many departments like mechanical, civil, computer science, electrical. So there was an option which was freeze, slide, and float. There were three options. So freeze means you need to freeze. That means if you are going to lock a seat, then you will have to freeze. If you are going for a float option, means you wanted another college, another department. If you are going for a slide option, means you want a different department but in the same college. Suppose in the first round, you fill all the choices and first round take place, and you get suppose NIT Allahabad. So in NIT Allahabad you get mechanical branch. Then if you don't want it, if you want it, then you should freeze it, means you'll have to lock it, you will get a seat over there. But if you don't want and you want you want a seat in NIT Allahabad only, then you go for slide option. And even if you don't want to get a seat in NIT Allahabad, you want in some another college as your wish, means as your wish. Why I'm saying as your wish? Because you have to fill your choices according to yourself. You can opt for all the IITs, all the branches, whatever you want, and they will start from bottom and will reach to up. In the first round you will be at the bottom, means your lower preference choice, and at the last you will be at the top at a higher preference choice. So if the third one, I have explained the third one, that was I think float. Yeah, I forgot to explain. I think float means you want a seat from any of the colleges, any of the departments. You want a seat which should be anything, means according to your choice that you have filled. So this is three option. This was three option for JOSA counseling. First you need to submit the choices. Choices means like I will choose 10 of the NITs and some departments like mechanical, computer science, electronics, and I will by preference put it on JOSA counseling. Suppose the list preference is my NIT Allahabad, and in that biotechnology, then I'll put it on the list preference, and most preference is my suppose IIT Bombay computer science, then I'll put it on the top. And in that way, if I'll not get anything, not anything, if I'll not get according to our choice, means I want something on the upper side, then I'll have to wait, means I'll have to wait for the last round. And if you get something according to your choice, and in the first round itself, in the first round, suppose you got IIT Varanasi and you got CS, and that was you thinking that that's good, that's very good, then you can freeze it in the first round. I did also same thing, like I have frozen in the first round. The counselor at that time was asking from me that why are you freezing the first round. Then I said that it's actually according to my choice. So the choice matters here. So what I'd like to tell you is that first fill the options according to your choice, and what is your department, what you want to be in it. If you want to be only in CS, and then you'll have to take proper action. Like if you want computer science in IIT, then you'll have your rank should be below 2500 or 2000, so that you can get CS in IIT, otherwise you won't be getting. And if you want CS only, whether it's IIT or NIT, then you can, and your J advanced rank is suppose 5000, and your J mains rank is also 5000, then you won't be able to get CS in the IIT. Then you'll have to go for JEE mains. You'll have to go for JEE mains rank, and you'll have to go for NIT. You will be able to get CS in NIT. So this is the way, you can say this is the right way of doing choosing the preference that you like. So if you have any questions regarding anything and about any JOSA counseling, I'll answer you in the comment box. You need to just ask, and you need to just write it in the comment box. Any query, anything you want from me, I'll answer you. You just ask me in the comment box, or you can message me also. So till here, I think I have told you many things. Even if there will be any doubt, you just ask, I'll tell you. So give me so from here I would say rather I would request you to, if you have got something from this video, I would request you to share this video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Till then, we'll meet once again. Goodbye, have a nice day.